Yeah, I'm fine. I don't know what happened. I like came around, I saw the second curve coming, I'm like, oh, I'll slow down a little bit, but I looked off to the side. Right when I looked off to the side, I knew, I was like, oh, this is not good.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I saw that, dude. Oh my gosh.
You want to help get this up?
Yeah. I was having a feeling all those last couple.
I was like, oh, this is an awesome curve, but yeah.
Is it because it's wet?
Well, I hit the dirt. I don't know. Oh, that's what it was. That's right. I saw the big wet spot here. I was going right for it. Like, oh, I gotta lean a little further.
You gonna be able to get it up?
I just can't get my leg out. There we go. Oh, it's in gear.